It was the last day of summer, and Talking Tom and his friends were eager to hit the beach. They boarded the bus, brimming with excitement for a day of swimming, sunbathing, and most importantly, bonding. However, after a while on the road, the bus suddenly came to a halt, smoke billowing from the engine. Tom popped open the hood, attempting to diagnose the issue, but to no avail. Stranded in the middle of a barren desert, tensions began to rise among the group. Just then, Angela noticed Tom pulling out ice pops from his backpack, and her eyes widened in surprise. "Tom, why were you keeping those hidden?" she asked, puzzled. Tom, caught off guard, stuttered, "Well, I actually brought these just for you, Angela. But I'm more than happy to share now." However, his gesture didn't appease the rest of the group. Talking Ginger piped up. "What about us?" he exclaimed. "We're all in this together, but first, we need to share those ice pops." Angela smiled at Tom and agreed to share the ice pops with their friends. Just then, they spotted a cloud of dust in the distance. A band of desert pirates was approaching, intent on seizing the ice pops for themselves. The friends quickly gathered whatever they could find and prepared to defend against the pirates. Thus, an exhilarating battle ensued amidst the sand dunes. What started as a playful chase escalated into a full-blown skirmish. Yet, united in solidarity, the friends stood together and eventually managed to fend off the pirates. As the sun dipped below the horizon, they returned to their bus, exhausted but elated. They celebrated the adventure and camaraderie they shared. In the end, they learned the importance of helping each other and working together. And of course, they understood the significance of sharing those ice pops.
Bad man, son.